Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today I got Burger King because I'm the burger queen. Yes, you guys, I was talking about on the other day on the live, I love Whoppers. So I got 2 Whoppers and some fries. I don't know why, but I'm gonna put these potatoes right here, like that. Also, I got some jalapenos on the side. I don't know why, I love my Whoppers spicy sometimes. And they gave us some ketchup for the fries. So, how's everyone doing? I like zesty sauce, you guys. I love to dip my fries in zesty sauce. If you never tried it like that, I suggest it. Also, I got some sriracha. Look at how it's almost gone. Before I eat, I always look inside of my Whopper or my sandwiches to make sure everything's fresh. And I smell it. I'm a weirdo. I smell my food. It smells good. I know I'm weird. I smell everything I eat. Sometimes lettuce could have like a dirt smell or some kind of a weird smell, and I don't like it. This one we're gonna try it without the jalapenos, and I'm sure everyone knows how Whoppers look. But look at that! Oh my God! Take a bite of that, you guys. That looks so yummy. Anyways, I'm gonna put a little salt. And I put salt. I know, I'm not supposed to, but cheers. So bomb. Sorry, I'm doing the Monchi's dance. Let's take another bite, shall we? Sorry, I'm eating like a pig. I'm hungry. Ready to chow down. Question. What's your guys' favorite fast food burger? What chain? Let me know. Or what's your favorite thing at Burger King? My favorite drink, you guys. I told you guys, fast food, I love Burger King and Carl's Jr. See this long fry? Oh my God. I love French fries, you guys. Again. So yummy. Nothing beats a Whopper. I'm sorry, but I have to choose the Whopper over a Big Mac. I love Big Macs, don't get me wrong, but the Whopper tops the Big Mac. It's bigger, way bigger. Do you think I could eat both Whoppers? Monchi said no. Don't ever doubt the Burger Queen. food porn. Two Whoppers, you guys. Yes. Oh my God. So, my favorite burger, a lot of you know, is the original at Johnny Rockets. That's me and Monchi's favorite burger. If you guys have a Johnny Rockets, I suggest that burger. So damn bomb, and their fries are to die for. They have the best fries, hands down. I don't care what anyone says. If you never tried it, you don't know what you're missing. I'm eating this one without jalapenos, and the next one will have jalapenos. One's going to be spicy, and the other one's not. Messy situation. I dipped it in the sauce. Gosh. Whoever knew someone could love hamburgers so much, right? This is the first one. Also, hold on. How many burgers can you eat? How many Whoppers can you eat? Done. On to the next one. Let me check this one out. This one I need to see if it's good. Let me smell it. Ugh, this one has like a weird smell. I know why. It has too much lettuce on it. I don't think I like this one. See, guys, I pick out the onions. If they're clear like this, it's not Sheila approved. I don't know about this one, y'all. The other one tasted good, but this one has like a weird smell. So let's add some jalapenos. Jalapenos, shall we? Maybe that'll make that taste better. Hopefully I can finish this one. Some ketchup. Some salt. I'm trying not to burp, you guys, but I got to. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, please stop. Control yourself. I know it's not ladylike. You're gonna say, Sheila, that's not ladylike. Why the hell did you burp while you're eating? Maybe we're eating. I'm so sorry. I know I'm a pig, sorry. Those jalapenos are good. Let's show this side. This side looks pretty good. See that? Okay. Everything's like falling out. It is hot today, guys. Really, really hot. I know I'm picky with my hamburgers, you guys. My food, I'm picky. The vegetables, they have to be fresh. If it's not fresh, I'm not eating it. Especially my burgers. Who else is picky with their burgers? Do you like it a certain way? Mine have to be well done. If I eat in a restaurant, then I have to have it well done. We need a little bit more peppers. Yeah. I think I'll try some sriracha on my fries. I like a little spice in my life. Sriracha on fries are bomb. I got some ways to go. Need to wash it down. Almost there, almost there.
It's more like a challenge.
He said it's like a challenge.
The 2 Whopper challenge. Now this is the massive...
Hi, Moon Cheese.
Hi, guys. This is the massive mukbang, Burger King mukbang.
I ate 2 Whoppers before, not long ago. It's just, I don't know. I'm just showing you guys I could eat it.
In case you guys are wondering, I had 2 chicken sandwiches, the little McDonald chicken sandwiches, and I had me a big shake.
You know, he's kind of tired of Burger King. He likes the chicken sandwiches. I'm a carnivore. I gotta have my meat. Gotta have my beef. If there's no beef, I'm gonna say that. The famous thing, where's the beef?
Guys, if you guys got far into this video, I want to know what kind of shake you guys like. From Burger King. What kind of shake?
Guys, I'm not full, but I'm not liking the toppings that they put on this one. The other one, the first one was bomb. For some reason, this one, the tomatoes and the onions are not fresh as the other one. Kind of strange, but I have this much left. I'm not gonna finish it though. It's not because I can't, because I could. It's just I'm not digging the veggies inside of it. But let's finish these fries, shall we? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, I gotta burp again. He didn't hear it. He didn't hear it from me. I'll be making more videos showing me eating other burgers. If you guys have any suggestions, we don't have that many places like other towns do, but I do want to try the Habit and Smash Burger. Five Guys, no. Not into Five Guys. I'm very picky, like I said. Anyways, so sorry. Anyways, thank you for joining me on my hamburger mission. Trying to eat 2 of them. Fortunately, that one is not Sheila approved. So, you have any suggestions of any other burger places you want to see me eat? Put it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just watching it randomly. And we do our lives Fridays, most likely at 6 p.m. So, thank you guys.
Bye,
and
guys. Love
smash
you.
that like button too and comment. Okay? Love you guys. Bye.